Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make Apple ID. So first of all, let's go ahead to our Safari and let's search for appleid.apple.com. Again, appleid.apple.com. Next step, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just click on the arrow at the top right here, and you're gonna see multiple options. We're gonna just go ahead and into creating my Apple ID. Okay, so we're gonna wait out for a few moments right here. And here we're gonna add our first name and last name, okay, and enter the country or the region that you are living in. So I'm gonna just choose, let's say for example, okay, let me just go ahead and select my location, Saudi Arabia, and I'm gonna just enter my birthday. I'm gonna enter the month, the day, the year. So I'm gonna just enter let's say for example 06 day 21 2001, and I'm gonna enter the email, the alternative email, so they can verify that this is my email. And please I want to bring to your attention, don't bring or add the email that is already in Apple. So you need to external email so you can actually add to your Apple ID. So I'm gonna just add. And next step, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just add my password. So I'm gonna just go ahead right here and add my password. And it says right here, your password must have 8 or more characters, upper and lowercase letters, and basically like this one, okay? And I'm gonna confirm that this is my password, okay, to double check, okay? And next step, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just add my phone number, okay? And now I'm gonna just add the phone number that related to my location. So I'm gonna just go ahead right here to the Saudi Arabia, and I'm gonna just add my phone number, okay? So I'm gonna just go ahead right here and add the phone number. After I added my phone number, it says right here verify with text message or phone call, okay? You can just choose either of them. You can just choose the phone call or text message. If you don't get the text message, just go ahead to the phone call. And here, if you want announcement, Apple Music TV and more, marketing stuff, if you want it, just leave it on. If you don't, just leave it off. Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead right here into adding 8Q H. Okay, this is when I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna just go ahead right here into continuing. And here, as you can see, it says an email verification code has been sent to my email. I'm gonna just open up my window right here, and you're gonna see that this is Apple confirming an email address. I'm gonna just go ahead right here to my email right here, okay, and I'm gonna just go ahead and add the code that's been sent to my email. I'm gonna just open up a new window, and I'm gonna just paste the code right here. I'm gonna just move on to the next step. All right, so I'm gonna wait out for a few moments right here, and it says right here a verification code has been sent to your phone. So I'm gonna just go ahead right here to my text messages right here on iMessage, and I'm gonna just go ahead and wait up until the code is received. And after I added my verification code, I'm gonna just move on to the next step right here. And here, as you can see, sign in security, email, phone number, Apple ID, and as you can see right here, I added the Apple ID, the password, the account security. If you want to add two-factor authentication, you can just do that. If you don't want to, just leave it out. And this way, we created our Apple ID account. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.